Good morning to you. Good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to my channel. So this is a quick update from the office of DPM.Onkosor. A few months ago, people have been asking about this ID card. When are we going to get our ID card? We that are Homeland and all that. So the answer is here for you because the United States of Biafra government have decided to give you this update. Those of you in Homeland, if you're in Homeland, this news is for you. In fact, it's a this is a very good news. One of the best of them all. And the best thing I want you to do is to make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel so that others are gonna get to watch this video. Very important. For those of our brothers that are not on X, you are going to benefit a lot through this video. Why? Because it will enable you to know what to do, how to go about it, because this issue of when are we going to have our own ID card? Biafrans in Homeland, the good news is here for you. Because people in diaspora have been enjoying with the ID card. Most of our brothers that are in different countries that are facing deportation, challenges and all that have benefited on this ID card. And I believe this is the best thing to do at this point in time. Believe you me, some people who are in Fallback Republic will still sneak out to get the ID card and still come back on social media to begin to insult you. I'm not saying that they don't deserve it. What I'm saying is that do not allow anybody to deceive you. That your brother is in Fallback Republic does not mean that you should not be who God made you to be. You are United States of Biafra for a reason. It's not by choice. It's by divine providence. So God, who made it possible for you to be a Biafran, have given you the opportunity to stand and declare yourself of who you are and what He has made you to be. So do not relent. The link has been shared, which of course I'm going to post it on my X. For those of you that are on X, you have to follow that link. Send it to your family and friends in Homeland. It is for Biafrans in Homeland. Listen, it is for Biafrans in Homeland, not for someone from Mubomosho. It's not meant for Musa Abubakar, somewhere in the north. It is for Biafran and Biafran only. If you are from other country, do not apply. This is for Biafran citizens. Because if you do, they're going to catch you. What do I mean by that? You have to answer some questions. When you are going to do capturing, they will interrogate you. So, but as a Biafran, you have every opportunity to acquire your ID card. Very important. And this ID card goes in, it helps in many ways, which I'm not gonna go through that for now because I want us to understand something. Anybody telling you otherwise is your enemy. Anybody telling you otherwise, oh, do not apply. If you are helping us, you are not helping us. Okay. You are not helping anybody. You're actually doing that for your own self. And DPM, I don't know, because what you have just done in this news, you may not understand. She actually made it free. When I say she, because she is the leader, but it has about the government. Okay, she is the leader, and you can't beat that. If you don't like it, then you can check her from the door. The truth of the matter is that nobody's forcing anybody. Nobody's forcing anybody. So understand what you are doing and what the ID card stands for. As of today, a lot of our brothers would have been in Bongo today. Maybe in Lagos, in Abuja, moving like a sheep without a shepherd. But with ID card, they have regained their freedom in the country of their residence, and they are doing very well. It is not a rumor; it's something that I know. I know somebody that is benefiting from the ID card as we speak. Not one, not two, not three. So many testimonies everywhere, and this is not about people in Europe. Those people, most of our brothers in Asia, are using it. So as long as you are facing deportation or facing immigration challenge and all that, USB government always step in and help. So please do the needful, because some of our brothers in diaspora are facing challenges to make payment. But you in Homeland, is that the government has crash everything for you, that you cannot acquire the ID card for free. So it seems like I'm delaying the news. So let me just present it without hesitation. As you can see now on the screen, this is from the office of DPM Dr. Rabese. She made this publication to let Biafrans know that we will go. This is the best news this month. This is not best, but one of. To me, it's best, but one of. There are other good news. Press release, July 28th, 2026. ID card issuance from Homeland, issuance for Homeland de facto. United States of Biafra citizens begins. The ID card for issuance of this ID card for people in Homeland starts now. Attach sample. We are going to see everything. USB citizens in Homeland should click on our attached link, fill it, and submit your ID card certificate of nationality. Okay? USB Homeland ID card is free for all USB citizens. USB Homeland ID card. Do you understand the part? The Homeland ID card is for free for all USB citizens. When you receive it, laminate it and carry it with you everywhere you go. 12 months from today. 12 months from today. As of time I recorded this video, this is 29th. So this news was actually published yesterday, being 28th of July. Anyone carrying any other form of ID card in 40 states of Biafra without appropriate immigration documents will be declared as an enemy of the people and will be treated as such. Attached also is the 40 states of Biafra and their abbreviations. Your ID card will carry your state abbreviation and your personal identification number. Application for sovereignty, nationality, and heritage certificates, issuance, Homeland. So this is the link. So this is application for sovereign nationality and heritage certificate, issuance, Homeland. I don't know if this ID card is the exact ID card that people in diaspora are receiving, but I believe it should be. Or if there's any slight change, it doesn't mean anything, because the ID card is about Biafra and Biafrans alone. And it is highly, highly documented. Highly, highly, highly documented. So the plan is to give you this validation to understand who you are and to be who you are meant to be without any other thing. Said Dr. Rabese, DPM USB / head of the Biafra Republic Government in exile and de facto. So now here is the attached sample that she talked about. As you can see here, United States of Biafra certificate of nationality. Dr. Rabese, state, date of birth, sex, town, height. This is something that you see. This is how the ID card looks. The Homeland ID card. Biafra, United States of Biafra ID, certificate of nationality. This document covers everything that you are going to be receiving, or everything that you have as a local government and world and all that Nigeria have, nicknaming everybody. Just this morning, I was told that they are working hard to carve out part of Imo State that are oil producing region to Niger Delta. These guys are very crazy. And I understand the insult that they are pushing on our people, because sometimes we don't ask some questions. We don't ask ourselves this question: why is it easy for them to look down on us like this? Because of the war. We didn't win the war, so they see you as, when you fight war and you lose some items. How soldiers loot people, other people that they conquer. loot them and take their property and everything. That's what they see you as a, they see Biafrans as kind of gain what they achieved from the war. Why they'll be massaging you, tapping you somehow, just relax, like the taste tap on calm down while they are dealing with you. What kind of nonsense is that? You are the one to say, to do something about it. This is the map, United States of Biafra map, the land of the rising sun. When you look at it here, this is the map and the abbreviation. Okay. Then if you want to know the abbreviation, you come here. This number one, like this one, this is AB, Aba State. Well, AB, where is it here? You look at it here. AB. This is okay. I'm looking for the AB here. When you come to this map, you see okay, someone here because AB. This is Q. This is EB, AD, IG, AI, and AB. Look at it here. AB is somewhere close to IH. So that is how it is. You have to use that to locate your own. If you are from Alonso, AN, okay, for example, you come here, you want to know the map of Alonso, which is AN, you look at it up here. So the same thing has been explained to you, and this is from 1 to 19 here. From 19 here, now this is, did I say 19 or 18? 1 to, okay, they repeated the same thing. Indon Ibon. ID card here. They repeated 19. So from 19 down to 40, you can see there. Everything is well explained. For you not to say that you don't understand anything, that maybe you while filling the form. The picture is very, very small here. Okay. But if you want to have access to everything complete with the link, because I forgot to show you the link though. Let me go back. So here is the link. If you want to, if you are in Homeland, you want to apply. So like I said, you can go to DPMS handle. This post is there. I'm going to put in my handle and on my WhatsApp. For those of you that want to have access to the link and everything, it's going to be shared on our WhatsApp after this recording, after this video, because I'm just, I'm just noticing this post, to be honest with you. Yesterday I didn't see it, but now I can have access to that. That's why I have to bring it, because I know many people that have been asking this question. I was told that the reason why they stopped Biafrans from applying all this why because of how to deliver the ID card and other technical issue that comes with it. So I believe they must have sorted everything out, that the commencement, the registration and everything is now here for you to, grab it. And the thing is that they even made it clear that it is just for free, it is for free. Look, where I think that I saw it somewhere here, that the ID card is for free. Okay, look at it here. You see, USB Homeland ID card is free for all USB citizens. So do not panic that how much is it going to cost you, who is going to make your online payment. It is for free. All you need to do is to come here, click on this link. Okay, let me click it. When you click on it, you have to wait. Okay, you have to wait for the ID card to give you everything. The ID have to load. Then after loading, then you have to do something about it, which of course I'm going to show you without any delay. So what you do now, you choose your email. You choose the email that you are going to use. For example, let me choose one of the email here. So which means because I'm choosing email because I have email already. Okay, I have email already. Let me type. But if you don't have email already, then what will happen is that they will ask you to put your email. So when you put your email, let me put my own. Escape. Okay, I just want to show you how the link looks because I have not done that. Okay, now let me show you now so you can understand what that means. After putting your email, it will turn to this. After putting your email, it will take you to this place. Then here you have to put your information. As you can see here, this is United States of Biafra, successor of the Republic of Biafra. Application for sovereign nationality and heritage certificate issuance. Issuance Homeland. Then issuance, then you know what issuance means, and then bracket Homeland is for Homeland alone. A clear facial picture must be attached, uploaded before submission of this form. All requires must be directed to information at United States of Biafra of United States of Biafra government.org, United States of Biafra.org. Then here you put your email, like I put in my own email. Then here you put, look at it. If you want, then you click next, answer your email, and all that. You put everything is self-explanatory. Next, it's not gonna go because I have not put this question because I'm not trying to apply. But if you put it and click next, it will take the next page where it will enable you to put every other thing that you require, that you need. If you want us to do it in a better form or in the better format to show you how to register it, put it on the comment section. Then I'll make another video so that we can run it from, because this one I'm skipping other things that because I don't want to apply. I don't have an email to apply for that. But if you want us to run a video on how to register it from the beginning to the end, let me know in the comment section. Then if I have maybe 5 people requesting for that, then we are going to make a video on that. For those of our brothers in Homeland to understand that it is actually self-explanatory, you can do that. And the most difficult part that I believe that people are facing is when it comes to money. But they have slashed that part. They have given you access to acquire this ID card for free. Anyway, I'm going to end it here. Let me know what you think about it. And please don't forget to like the video and share it. Let your people to know. Those of you that if you are looking for the link, because I know next thing you begin to put on the comment, can report to send me the link. Send me the link. If you want to see the link, go to DPM handle on X or follow us on X at report, one word, _001. That will give you, this is our handle. This is our handle on X. Let me display that ID on the screen so you can copy it the way it is without making any mistake. I'm trying to look for that. I think I have it somewhere here. Our X handle. Okay, just a moment. No, this one. Sorry about it. No, this is YouTube. Okay, this is one going running down here. Okay, what will happen? Let me put it in a better way. Not this one, please. Do not take this one. Not this. Just a moment. This is my WhatsApp contact, right? So what will happen is that let me look for a way to display it so that you will be able to see it. I want to make sure that it's boldly written so you can see it now. Here we go. So this is look at it here. You can just copy, follow us on X, Twitter at KaiReport_001. This thing, if you type this on Twitter, on X, it will show us our X handle. I'm going to share the whole thing there. Then if you want me to send it to you, maybe you don't have X account, you can also reach out to this WhatsApp. Okay, then I will inbox you that for those of you in the Homeland so that you can have access to it. To register it is for free. God bless you and take care of yourself. See you again. Bye bye for now.